That's the London City.
Hey.
C2 to Parliament Gilfields.
Where are you going, King?
We're going to Oxford Circus.
Yeah. I thought it's only in Edsel who got traffic jam.
Yeah. And also, the guy downstairs, his knee off.
Yeah. So do I.
English yun.
Tangina ka mo. Panira ka. Hindi na-edit sa Picasa yun.
Kasi, naiintindihan nila.
Yung nga.
Oo, diba?
Tangina ka.
Girl, pag nagkita tayo ng Trafalgar Square, doon mo gamitin yung SLR mo.
Sure.
Yung mga ganyan, no?
Sure.
Nice to.
Hindi ko naman alam paano pumunta dito eh. Huwag mo ko iwan ha.
Oo. Sure, manure.
Maneuver. Later na nga ulit.
Yeah.